In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable auto translate in Google Chrome. So, if you often visit websites in different languages, Google Chrome has a built in auto translate feature that can instantly convert pages into your preferred language. So, let's turn it on step by step. So, to do that, click on the three dots at the top right, and from the drop down, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and click on Languages in the left sidebar. If you don't see it right away, you can also use the search bar and type in languages. So if you find it, click on it. Now inside the languages section, scroll down and find the option that says use Google Translate. So as you can see in my side, it is turned on. So when this is gray, that means it is turned off. So click on it to turn it on. And if the color is blue, that means it's turned on. So this is what allows Chrome to automatically translate web pages. So hover over translate it into this language, click on the drop down arrow, and here you'll see a list of languages. So Chrome will translate pages into this language by default. Now down here, you see automatically translate these languages. So if you want Chrome to automatically translate specific languages, you can click on add languages, select the language you want. So click on the search bar, for example, English, type E, scroll down and look for the language that you want. Click on it and click on add. After that, down here, you also have never offered to translate these languages. So just click on add languages and choose your language and click on add. Now here's the important part for auto translate. So when you visit a website in different language, for example, open a new tab, search for anything. So Chrome will show a small pop-up at the top asking if you want to translate the page. So make sure you click on the three dots and tap on Always Translate. So make sure you click on that and make sure you check this box right here, Always Translate. So from now on, Chrome will automatically translate pages in that language without asking again. So if you don't see the translate pop-up, you can manually trigger by right-clicking anywhere and selecting Translate to Language. So it's in here, just click on that and it will appear at the top. So if you want to translate into English, just click on English and also on the other language. And that's it. You've successfully enabled auto translate in Google Chrome. Now you can browse foreign websites effortlessly without needing to copy and paste text into translation tools. Thanks for watching.